Hi Diego! Day 61 and Grandpa's grilling up some gourmet mushroom burgers. I mixed sausage, pork sausage with hamburger. I diced up some mushroom and added that, and then I put it with a bunch of garlic powder, some salt and pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some tango spice, hot to try. And we've got gourmet burgers on day 61, a non-stop barbecue marathon. And we're going to get some wheat French bread, and we're going to try and toast that up a little bit and have some hamburgers. Maybe some cheddar cheese. I think we got some sharp.
Shucks, that's good.